What's going on? I'm Silver Forever. I like to stack silver. You are a citizen of the Accumulation Nation. You like to stack like buttons. So go ahead, stack that like button and let's get started. Today I'm going to tell you why I don't make a plan when I'm stacking silver. Now in every other aspect of my life, I like to make a plan. But when it comes to stacking silver, what I've found, I like to get the deals. I don't want to commit ahead of time to saying, you know, I'm gonna stack Britannias this month, or I'm only interested in stacking some junk silver, or the goal for today is to stack 10-ounce silver bars. What I like to do is just to create a general framework for the types of things I like to stack. As you can see here, I like to stack 1-ounce bullion coins, both in the silver and in the gold. 10-ounce silver bars, I like to stack junk silver, and I even like to collect 1/10-ounce gold coins, particularly when I can get them at a really good price. But what's much more important to me, what is the price that I'm paying, particularly in a high premium environment. I'm really tired of paying these high premiums for silver, but I still want to stack silver. So what's the best way around this problem? It's to find the best deal in terms of the spread. So what is the closest I can get in terms of the spread between what I'm paying for it at the buying stage and what I might sell it for at the same venue, whether that be a local coin shop or an online dealer, or maybe even through a private sale. But every once in a while, something shows up that's just a damn fine deal. And in this case, the deal that I found were brand new Roaring Lion 1-ounce silver bullion coins from the Niue Mint, and it was less than $4 over spot. So, you know, right now the kind of the going rate is $4 over spot for generic rounds, and I was able to pick up these BU bullion coins with a fairly cool design for an even better price. You know, better, okay, whatever, it's all relative. But I was looking into stacking some more 1-ounce bullion coins. I wasn't necessarily committed to any particular coin, but I had my feelers out waiting, looking for a good deal. And one came across my radar in the form of a YouTube comment. I jumped on it, and lo and behold, I checked a few hours later and they were all sold out. So I'm pretty happy with that decision, and we're gonna go ahead and open them right now. Unsheath. And these folks were shipped as Stone, Decor, and Boulder, which, I mean, come on, right? You gotta love that. You hear about things being sent maybe as ball bearings. I'm cool with it being sent as whatever, as long as it doesn't say precious metals on the outside, right? And even then, honestly, there's probably a lot of people who don't even know what that would mean. Opening things on camera is so much harder than you might think. And you know what the worst part about it is? Nobody cares. Everyone skips this part. If you're wondering where I bought this from, here's a hint. Stone, Decor, SD. You do the math. I just love whipping these knives open, don't you? You can see we're Jeffrey tubing over here, folks. We got a full tube. Alright, so here is our fresh tube. And you know, when you can afford to buy a tube, or when you're looking to make a purchase, if you can get 20, you usually end up getting a better deal. It might not be a huge difference, and it's certainly not a reason for you to change your decision from buying 5 ounces to 20 ounces at any given purchase. But, you know, maybe it makes sense to save up until you can buy 20 at a time. If you can save 50 cents a coin, there are some dealers who actually even give discounts for people who have a prior history of military service. If they're a veteran, you might actually be able to buy 1 coin at the same price as their maximum wholesale amount. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at these coins and see if I regret my purchase or not. For the first look at the Roaring Lion. Damn. First instinct, this looks way better than I thought that it would. I mean, look at this thing. I'm gonna go and plop one out. 1 troy ounce. So think about this. So I was able to pick up these coins for $26. If you go to any LCS or if you look online for any generic silver around, not something that's BU, something that's been circulated, beat up a little bit, good luck finding stuff for under 26 bucks in today's premium environment. Now this is actually a coin. It's 4 nines fine silver, completely uncirculated, fresh out the mint. It is 2022 Niue. And yeah, I mean, I'm just very pleased with this deal. It's truly a good looking coin. But this coin is just one example. The real reason for this video is to explain my thought process and how I find the best deals that I can on silver and gold and other precious metals. As much as I trust these online dealers generally, I still think that it's a pretty good idea to actually count through anything that you make a purchase of, even if it's a freaking monster box, you know. One missing ounce could amount to a pretty significant loss in the long run. And they're even, we got a good 20, like what I see. If you love learning about gold and silver, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like, let me know how much you appreciate it, because I appreciate the hell out of you guys. Silver today, silver tomorrow, silver forever, out.